Kris Boyson trial for threatening p0lice officer adjourned. Kris Boyson's court case regarding allegations that he threatened a police officer has been adjourned following new evidence coming to light. To using threatening, abusive, insulting words or behavior with intent to cause fear of or provoke unlawful violence back in March. However, a hearing today at Medway Magistrates Court in Chatham, Kent, was told that the case needed to be adjourned after new audio evidence was discovered. Chairwoman of the bench Mandy Ellis said the case was adjourned in the interest of both sides. Kris, who is dating Katie Price, only spoke during proceedings to state and confirm his name, date of birth, address and nationality. A new court date has not been set, however, a case management hearing will take place before a new trial. Boyson was bailed unconditionally. Kris arrived at Medway Magistrates Court wearing a three-piece grey plaid suit, complete with a pocket square, over a white shirt. The allegation, under Section 4 of the Public Order Act, came a day after Katie Price was arrested after being accused of drink driving. The alleged incident occurred near Boyson's home in Gravesend, Kent, on October 11, with a PC Blundell alleging he was threatened by Kris. They also claim that Boyson, of Haven Close, had argued with a photographer. This trial comes just days before his girlfriend Katie, 41, will appear in court accused of screaming abuse at ex-Kieran Hayler's girlfriend Michelle Pentecost. The mum of 5 is charged with outside a primary school in Shipley in September. Katie Price and Kris Boyson join celebs go dating for couples counseling. Katie Price steps out with sore lip and nightie as she relaunches music career. Katie Price's daughter Princess has all the attitude as she sings in Playboy T. and is due in court on June 3. You having. Pentecost alleges that the reality star shouted at her, "Are you enjoying ******ing my husband?" at the school playground. If you've got a story, video, or pictures, get in touch with the metro.co.uk entertainment team by emailing us, calling 020-3615-2145 or by visiting We'd love to hear from you. Ads keep our content free for everyone. Please note that the Interactive Advertising Bureau IAB describes online personalized advertising through the below definitions. We put the storage of information, or access to information that is already stored, on your device, such as accessing advertising identifiers and / or other device identifiers, and / or using cookies or similar technologies. The collection and processing of information about your use of this site to subsequently personalize advertising for you in other contexts, i.e. on other sites or apps, over time. Typically, the collection of information, in combination with previously collected information, to select and deliver advertisements for you, and to measure the delivery and effectiveness of such advertisements. This includes using the collection of information, in combination with previously collected information, to select and deliver content for you, and to measure the delivery and effectiveness of such content. This includes using the collection of information about your use of the content, in combination with previously collected information, used to measure, understand, and report on your usage of the content. Ads keep our content free for everyone. We use additional third-party advertising companies who serve ads to help keep content free. For these partners, you will continue to receive advertising, however, it may not be tailored to your likely interests. Well, check in with you. Great. Thanks for choosing. You have opted out from our advertising partners.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.